How to transfer USDT from gate.io to Binance. So this is really easy. So we have to just go to Google and look for gate.io and then search for it. Now once you are in the gate.io, you have to log in into your account, navigate to the assets section. Usually you will find the asset section here like this. So you can just go to the assets and usually find at the top right of the screen. In the asset section, find USDT. You can use the search bar for the quick access. Click on withdraw next to USDT. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Choose the appropriate network for the transfer. It is recommended to use the TRC20, that is Tron network, due to its lowest fees compared to the other like Ethereum ERC20. Open your Binance account right now here, which you can see over the screen. Then you have to go to the wallet section. Now here in the wallet, you have to go to the spot wallet and find USDT. So here we have to find the USDT, which is here. Right now, click on deposit. So we have to just open this up, right? And here you will get this option of deposit, right? So just go and click on deposit, select TRC. You can use any one of these options. So let's have just go with the deposit crypto. Now here we have to verify the account, so make sure you verify. Now here you have to select this. If you're verified, then you will get this access of it. Now here you have to use this, USDT, right? And then you can deposit it, right? That is you can also use a Tron, right? TRC20 as a network, and copy your deposit address. Return to gate.io and paste the Binance deposit address into your withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Review all the details carefully, including the address and the amount. Click on withdraw to initiate the transfer. After a few minutes, check your Binance account and the spot wallet to confirm the USDT has been arrived. So this is how you can do it. This is really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.